Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse in your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that I bought yesterday from my favorite authorized dealer of Levi's. And this is a Levi's Philippines store which is located at the SM Mega Mall in Metro Manila. And we're going to unbox this. I got only one item for during my visit, and this is a another corduroy shirt from Levi's, and I assume this is a work shirt from them, from the Levi's, and this is their latest offering of work shirt, which is made of corduroy, and surprisingly, the size of this shirt is extra small because this is a relaxed fit. In my previous video, I I unboxed an item which is also a corduroy, which I bought and ordered from Levi's USA. And this was the one. And this is a Western shirt, snap button. And as compared to this is a ordinary button. However, it seems that the texture of the fabric is the same. The same in weight, and however it is different in the cut because this one is in the western cut and this is a small size. It is the standard fit, while this one is the relaxed fit, but this is extra small. And we will go to the measurement of the different sizing data so that we'll be able to find out why this is extra small and in their western cut I am small. So I bought this item with a price of 2,000, almost 2,500 pesos, and that is equivalent to $40, which is cheaper than this one, $40. And this one is initially tagged as 69 dollars, but I got 30% off, and this is only 2,500 pesos, which is $30 or $35 in the conversion to from dollars to from peso to dollars. We'll go now to the measurement so that we will be able to appreciate why this one is extra small and the one that I have in the other western cut is small. So we go now to the measurement of the shoulder. The shoulder is 18 inches, pit to pit, or from the left armpit to the right armpit, 21 inches. The waist is 20.5 inches, and the opening is 20, 20.5 inches. So basically, 21 inches up to 20.5 inches, it tapers for only about 1/2 inch. Length, you don't have any yoke from the bottom of the collar at the back, and then all the way to the hem, the measurement is 29.5 inches. The sleeve is 25.5. You have two pockets in front, of course, the red tab, And the button is ordinary white button. You will see the tab inside. So this is made in India. The same, the same with this corduroy green. They are both made in India. And of course, since it is corduroy, this is 100% cotton. Do you know why I got this corduroy work shirt and this one? It is because I was inspired by Ironheart. They came up with a new release, I think only last week, with a brown, light brown western shirt, and then another western shirt in blue in corduroy fabric. However, I think this is the same color with it. However, it is sold out. The one in brown is sold out. So I hope Levi's will produce or come up with a corduroy also with the same fabric, the same color, the same with Ironheart. So this is the reason why I got this blue corduroy work shirt from Levi's. I ordered this 1 month before Ironheart came up with a western shirt with a corduroy fabric. So I haven't seen yet the Ironheart corduroy western shirt. Ordered this western shirt from Levi's USA. We'll now proceed with the fitting video for you to appreciate why I got this extra small in this work shirt from Levi's. That is our video for today. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.